Assuming you're searching for LIDO DAO cost expectations gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to essentially know where the costs of LIDO DAO, LDO, will go from here on out. We will investigate the exact past costs of LIDO DAO, LDO, and we'll sort of figured out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities, which is genuinely huge. Kindly remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally incomprehensible. Or so they thought. Be that as it may, we will explicitly make an honest effort. We should truly begin. LIDO DAO past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the by and large current cost of LIDO DAO in a real sense is $1.49, and LDO is presently positioned number 32 in the whole crypto environment. Or so they sort of thought. The flow supply of LIDO DAO is 889,941,317 with a market cap of $1,322,638,572. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto most certainly has been diminished by 0.98% in its really current worth. Assuming we in every practical sense look at the ongoing business sector cap of the LDO with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down. LIDO DAO is confronting a sort of difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The LDO fundamentally is down to nearly 5.59% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days. The coin by and large is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for past truly couple of days. The coin could areas of strength for have, however, we don't imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of LDO diminished by 42.662%, taking out an incredible normal amount of $1.11 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a decent purchase, a potential open door for fast speculation. The 90 days cost change is near 41.37%, and the cost coursed from a fundamentally least typical cost of $2.25 to most extreme especially normal cost of $2.59 in the beyond 90 days. In sort of most recent 4 months, LIDO DAO has shown a developing pattern. Hence, we truly imagine that comparable pieces of the market in every practical sense were very famous at that period. As per the sort of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of LIDO DAO is expanded from 4 months, which is genuinely critical. The exchanging volume comprises an essential job in its cost, or so they fundamentally thought. The coin in every practical sense is up by 7.28%, with the most extreme typical cost of the coin was around $1.10, and the base essentially normal value of was around 97 cents in beyond 4 months. We foresee future LIDO DAO cost expectations LDO estimate by applying profound man-made reasoning, helped specialized examination on the past value information of LIDO DAO in a significant manner. We in a real sense give a valiant effort to gather in every practical sense greatest verifiable information for the LDO coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, LIDO DAO market cap, LIDO DAO volume, and fundamentally barely any more. Assuming you explicitly are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need great profit from your speculations, try to generally peruse our forecasts. LIDO DAO value expectation 2023 LIDO DAO cost truly is figure 2 in a real sense. Arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $2.16 in 2023. According to our discoveries, the LDO cost could arrive at a really greatest conceivable degree of $2.39, with the essentially normal estimate cost of $2.25, which is genuinely huge. LIDO DAO value expectation 2024 as per our by and large profound specialized examination on past value information of LDO, in 2024, the cost of LIDO DAO in every way that really matters is determined to be at around a kind of least worth of $3.28. The LIDO DAO value worth can arrive at a really limit of $3.80, with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $3.37 in United States dollars, which by and large is very huge. In a by and large significant manner, LDO value estimate for 2025. According to the figure in specialized examination, in 2025, the cost of LIDO DAO is supposed to reach at a sort of least value worth of $4.76. The LDO cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $5.67, with the kind of typical worth of $4.89, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. LIDO DAO, LDO, value expectation 2026. The cost of one LIDO DAO is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $6.84 in 2026. The LDO cost can by and large arrive at a most extreme degree of $8.47, with the typical cost of $7.04. All through 2026. LIDO DAO value expectation 2027. LIDO DAO cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal really conceivable degree of $10.14 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the LDO cost could arrive at a really most extreme conceivable degree of $12.30, with the typical gauge cost of $10.43. LIDO DAO value expectation 2028. The cost of LIDO DAO generally is in a real sense anticipated to reach at least degree of $14.44 in 2028. The LIDO DAO cost can in a real sense arrive at a most extreme degree of $17.61, with the typical cost of $14.86 all through 2028. LIDO DAO, LDO, value forecast 2029. The cost of LIDO DAO is anticipated to reach at least worth of $20.22 in 2029. The LIDO DAO cost could arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $24.51, with the typical exchanging cost of $20.96 all through 2029. LIDO DAO value gauge 2030. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of LDO, in 2030, the cost of LIDO DAO is anticipated to explicitly reach at any rate level of $28.46, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The LDO cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $35.34, with the typical exchanging cost of $29.30. LIDO DAO, LDO, value expectation 2031. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2031, the cost of LIDO DAO is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $42.23. The LDO cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $48.66, with the sort of typical exchanging cost of $43.40.